Hey, and welcome to TWC Projects. I've got hopefully a very quick video today of me unboxing and assembling and testing something new that I got that I need for a project. So stick with me and I'll show you what's going on here. All right, so as you know, I've got you may not, I don't know what videos are in what order right now, but I'm working on a project to put down some cement slabs for my sawmill to move it and put the full extension out. So that'll be coming right up, probably the next video right after this. But to do that, I need a piece of equipment that I've been putting off buying, and I finally got a cement mixer. You've seen in past videos I've done tried to mix the stuff by hand with a shovel, either in a wheelbarrow or in a bucket. But now we're gonna go and thanks to Northern Tools, I've got this Klutch 3.5 cubic portable cement mixer, and it's pretty cool because it's kind of like a wheelbarrow too, that you can mix it and move along. So the unboxing part should be pretty quick, since FedEx did a pretty good job of helping me out with that already. This is the way I found my box, sitting here by the garage when I got home. But I mean, shoot, even this is like damaged, but hopefully it's okay. We're gonna find out. So I don't see any major damage from here, but gosh, I don't know how it got all these holes. And anyway, we're gonna finish pulling it apart, assemble it, and test it out. Hopefully it works fine. If not, then we'll have to go back to Northern Tools and FedEx and get it straightened out. But anyway, then it'll be a really quick video if that's the case. In fact, I probably won't publish it, but I think we're gonna be all right. So let's get started. All right, so of course there's a significant part missing from the package. And I tried calling FedEx, and you go through all these menus, then they send you a text message and send you links, and you follow the links, and eventually it takes you to a place where it wants the username and password. I don't have an account with them. I just don't have time for all that. Like after 15 minutes of screwing around with that, I needed to get some work done today. So I may still go ahead and assemble the rest of it. There's some minor damage, but nothing that wouldn't happen from use of the machine, scratches, but nothing really broken. And it looks like I have all the parts except for the one main thing I need, which is the shaft that goes through the base to hold the wheels on. In fact, you can see it in the picture here. Right here, there's a shaft that goes all the way through. And I don't have that. So I think I'll still assemble the rest of it at this point. They'll probably end up having to ship a whole new package, and I'll pull the one rod out of it and ship it back. It is extremely inefficient, but whatever. So not everything always goes as planned, but I do need to pour cement today, because it's gonna thunder shower tomorrow night. So this is my last chance to do it before all the work I did setting up for the cement is passed. So I'll figure it out. I won't be able to wheel it around like a wheelbarrow, which was part of the goal, but at least I can still, I think the cement mixer will still work, and I'll just have to set it up right by the place where I'm going to pour it and dump it, and then figure out how to move it to the next spot. I'll make it work for now, and then I'll hopefully get the right part eventually. So anyway, not off to a great start, but we'll keep going anyway. I'll assemble everything except for the wheels. So let's go. so that was pretty quick to put that together. And as you saw, there's a T, big nut or bolt that goes in there. You screw them by hand. There's a little bit of a threaded screw with a notch in it. You gotta screw it down to the right point and then set it so that you can get your barrel on there. Nuts on there, motors hooked up. So let's power it on and see what it does. Of course, the one thing that's missing is the wheels, which give you the tilt that you need so that it's up like this to mix, and then it rocks all the way forward like that to dump. So we got it plugged in. Let's see what it does. That's it. Pretty simple, pretty quiet. Like I said, if I had the shaft that was evidently had fallen out of the box by the time I got it, I would have put the wheels on too. So let me show you what it needs, what you need for tools at least. Oh, and by the way, you're not going to be able to see these instructions. They're microscopic, but this is not very good instructions. Fortunately, it's a pretty simple piece of equipment, so you probably could do it without instructions anyway, but usually you want to know at least what order to do things in. So anyway, this is how it describes it. And the numbers that it provides don't actually match the numbers on the bags. There's a chart in the back somewhere. It's just a bunch of, it's just here. So that's really not a lot of use. The only thing it is useful, I think, is showing this. You can look at this picture and put the thing together. So not a big deal that the instructions aren't very good, but 10 millimeter wrench for the cover and for the motor, and then 13 for the inside here and 14 millimeter for the outside there. Also a larger head screwdriver with enough of a length that you can get in above the motor to hold those in place. And let's see, 4 millimeter if I were putting the wheels on, 4 millimeter Allen wrench. That's it, and a knife to cut the box open. So pretty easy. I think we'll put it to a test as soon as we can. That'll probably be in the next video. This was really just the unboxing and assembly and a quick test. Unfortunately, a little bit of a rough spot there that I didn't have all the parts. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. You can see, even if you had the shaft, it'd be really easy. It's just putting those collars on, and the wheels go on the inside. Again, the picture helps, right? So you can see the wheels go on the inside of the frame. The shaft goes all the way through, and then there's a collar on the outside, a collar on the inside, and then those little gap pieces to the little black pieces, spacers. So that's it. That's a TWC project. Not a very good one, but if you are interested, one of the reasons I like this was a lower capacity. The motor's not as it's only 3.5 horse, I think, or excuse me, 3.5 cubic feet, but it's only a half horsepower motor. And you'll see in the next video why that's important, because I got to be working remotely with this thing. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with that in the next video. We'll test it out and see if hopefully it works. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Thank you for joining me as I create things, fix things, and usually enjoy God's creation outside. It's going up to 97 today. So I got to get to work on some other things because it's pretty hot, but I figured I would be in here with my giant fan, which you saw me install and the lights in a much earlier video. That fan works great. I mean, it just keeps the whole garage cool, the air moving, so I love that thing. But anyway, until next time, oh yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when new ones come out, thumbs up if you like it, share with a friend, and until next time, have a fantastic week, and I will see you on the next project.